Hi, IASvideos.com is presenting you simplified daily current affairs analysis. An effort to restore coral ecosystems. The group has successfully transplanted corals in the Lakshadweep region. What is coral bleaching? Can coral survive a bleaching event? Why coral bleaching is raising serious concerns nowadays? Where can we find the corals in India? How sensitive are they for bleaching? GS Paper 3, Environmental Impact Assessment. Conservation. In this video, you can find detailed answers for all the above questions. The above article has been retrieved from thehindu.com, dated September 17th, 2018. What we are providing here is just a 10% sample out of the full-length video. Visit our website iasvideos.com to join the course and to unlock all videos. We offer this pen drive course cash on delivery on Amazon.in too. Amazon will deliver our course to your doorstep. What is the context about? Coral reefs are among the most diverse ecosystems on Earth, and their role in maintaining marine biodiversity is of no small measure. A team from National Center for Coastal Research, Chennai, plans to work on coral monitoring and restoration in the Gulf of Mannar region. Through remote sensing, the team will assess location and then study how the sediment affects the coral reef. Earlier, the researchers have successfully transplanted the nurtured corals in the Lakshadweep region. What is coral bleaching? Warmer water temperatures can result in coral bleaching. When water is too warm, corals will expel the algae living in their tissues, causing the coral to turn completely white. This is called coral bleaching. Apart from sea surface temperatures, increase in carbon dioxide levels in the seawater and a change in its chemical composition can also trigger bleaching. Can coral survive a bleaching event? When a coral bleaches, it is not dead. Corals can survive a bleaching event, but they are under more stress and are subject to mortality. If the stress-caused bleaching is not severe, coral have been known to recover. If the algae loss is prolonged and the stress continues, coral eventually dies. Why coral bleaching is raising serious concerns nowadays? Coral colonies serves as the foundations of coral reef ecosystem. The decline may translate into a loss of habitat for numerous plant and animal species that depend on them. Without living space and food resources, populations of reef-dependent fishes and other forms of marine life can drop precipitously. There is concern that widespread coral bleaching may cause some species to become extinct locally. In such cases, the affected coral ecosystems may not be able to recover fully from the disturbance because critical parts of the ecosystem would no longer be present. Degraded coral ecosystems are also vulnerable to invasive species such as seaweed and other types of algae, which have the potential to bring about significant and long-lasting structural changes to affected reefs. Where can we find the corals in India? How sensitive are they for bleaching? Coral reefs in India are only seen in some localities around the Gulf of Mannar, Gulf of Kutch, Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In many of these places, bleachings of corals and related Cnidaria species such as giant clam and tentacle sea anemone have been observed by the team. However, constructive interventions exist for this problem. The methods include reducing harvest of herbivorous fish and minimizing anthropogenic causes of bleaching.